How to delete autocomplete email addresses in your Google. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete the autocomplete emails on your Gmail. So first, let us just open up our Gmail. So after it opens up, whenever you try to write an email, you will notice that your this will pop up. This will just drag down, and it will show you your contacts. Now this is auto uh, complete we were talking about. So if you want to remove this, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to your Google contacts, go to your Google, first go open up another tab, go to your Google Apps and go to contacts. So after you go to contacts, you will see all of your contacts present here. So if you don't find the contacts here, go to other contacts and here you'll notice those contacts. Now let's say that you want to remove this one. So just check this here and tap on this and delete. Confirm this and you're basically done. So that is how you remove someone from the autocomplete email. And that is all for this video too. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.